Lumar, formerly DeepCrawl SEO Tool full review, features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Lumar are in the description below. Now let's get straight into it. Lumar, previously known as DeepCrawl, is an advanced website intelligence platform designed for technical SEO professionals, agencies, and enterprise-level businesses that need in-depth site audits and performance monitoring. It provides detailed website crawling and analysis, helping teams identify and fix issues related to site structure, indexing, and overall search performance. Key features include comprehensive website crawling, which uncovers technical SEO issues such as broken links, duplicate content, and crawlability errors. Lumar also offers core web vitals analysis, allowing users to monitor site speed and user experience factors that impact rankings. Another major feature is automated SEO monitoring, which continuously tracks changes and alerts teams to potential issues before they affect search visibility. The platform integrates with Google Search Console, Google Analytics, and third-party data sources, providing a centralized view of a website's SEO health. Additionally, Lumar's reporting and visualization tools make it easy to share insights with stakeholders, ensuring teams stay informed. Lumar is best suited for large websites, enterprise businesses, and SEO teams managing multiple domains. It's particularly valuable for e-commerce sites, publishers, and organizations with complex site structures, as it helps uncover hidden issues that traditional SEO tools might miss. By providing deep technical insights, Lumar enables teams to take a proactive approach to website optimization. Strengths of Lumar include its powerful crawling capabilities, automation features, and detailed reporting. The ability to schedule and automate crawls saves time, while the integration with analytics tools enhances data-driven decision-making. Its core Web Vitals analysis is also a strong feature, helping businesses align with Google's ranking factors. However, weaknesses include its complexity. Lumar is highly technical and may have a learning curve for beginners. Additionally, while it provides extensive data, users still need SEO expertise to interpret the findings and implement fixes. Pricing is also on the higher side, making it more suitable for enterprises rather than small businesses or solo SEO professionals. Overall, Lumar is a top-tier choice for technical SEO and enterprise website monitoring. If you need a robust platform for deep website analysis and continuous optimization, it's worth considering. Check the links in the description to explore Lumar further.